if you guys do a balance transfer on your credit cards, whatever balance you're trying to transfer, that balance there is going to be transferred to your new card. When you guys apply for new credit cards, they're going to consider your overall credit to give you a credit card. Even if you guys are authorized user on another credit card, they're going to consider that also. That's why a lot of people like to get additional credit cards to become an authorized user on a credit card that have a higher limit, because it increases their chances of getting approved for a higher limit credit card. Now, when you guys are doing your balance transfer, understand that if you got your balance, if you have a balance on multiple cards, then you're going to have to transfer it separately from multiple cards. When I did my balance transfer, I needed one balance transfer in my life, but when I did my balance transfer, I went into the credit union. They approved me for the balance transfer. I had like multiple credit cards, like $400, $500 balances, like six of them, I believe. They took the balances and they paid off all of those credit cards for me, and then they put it onto my credit card. I'm not sure the process that they had to go through to do it, because it is multiple cards. But when you guys want to do a balance transfer, make sure you guys talk to the company, whoever you get your balance transfer with. Make sure you talk to them and see like how do they want to fully go about it. But when you guys transfer the balance, if you have four different credit cards, you guys, you have to make sure you transfer those individually. It's not kind of like with me. I believe they just mailed in a check. It's not going to be like that unless you actually talk to them and let them know exactly what you want to do. A lot of times I tell people, if you're going to do a balance transfer, try to just transfer the balance of like your top credit cards. That probably have a higher balance, something you know you're not going to be able to pay off. Transfer the balance on those and then pay off those little ones. That way you just have these the bigger ones you have to just pay off, and then whatever you were paying originally for all those credit cards, you need to pay that minimum on your new credit card you did that balance transfer on, because hopefully you got 0% APR. But then that way you can be kind of doing that debt snowball kind of thing, and you'll just have that one you have to